Okay, just before the video starts, I want to say that you'll hear me speaking throughout. I was playing on stream at the time in a division, and I was speaking to everyone there, but for some reason the party audio never recorded, so you'll only hear me speaking to them, which will sound a little bit weird. But anyway, that just was to explain why you'll hear me. And on with the video. Bird. Spudgeros, what a fucking weird name.
Let's give him a hard time. Brady is ready.
I'm going to see. I don't know. I'm just gonna hide behind islands and get crossfires. If not, I think what we done last game was really good. Cruise on a destroyer and then 2 cruisers in a battleship.
Enemies, welcome to my show. Fighter airborne.
That's me, Captain C now. Right, someone's in B. Right, there we go, we know where the full team is.
Concentrate fire on the designated target.
I'm gonna push into B and try and deal with the destroyers. I'm gonna go for the Yukazi here.
Attention, reporting the target position. Fighter coming home.
Just watch out, you're gonna have torpedoes coming in between that gap and B towards you guys from the Yukikaze. I'm getting behind them here for some lovely crossfires.
All stations, protect that target.
Right boys, give me a couple seconds and I can start unloading on them. Keep that York spotted and he'll be dead in a minute. Yep, this is why we. Yep, he's turning away from me. Oh, he's coming back into me now. He's between a rock and a hard place. That should be the death. Oh, I'm going around the back of the other island. Yeah, if not, I've got the North Carolina. Yeah, I know, I've got my sonar on. Right, good stuff. I've got the North Carolina's broadside here. Yeah. Oh, watch out for that Yukikaze coming around the back of you. Accelerate like fuck. Yep. No, he's after you, mate. He's on a mission. Yeah, I'm coming back into what I'm doing here. I can get the mass here. Yep, I'm focusing on the mass. I know, that was the last salve I could get on him. Nah, 110, he is so low. Yeah, I just don't want to push in right now because of that Carolina. Second T's gone, I can just go DD hunting. I know, I'm going to try and come down to you to screen, but it means I'm going to have to give my broadside to Carolina to do it. Yeah. I've got some tops coming in if he does go forward. Oh shit. Don't worry about the destroyers. Once we take out the Carolina, yeah, just keep going forward and shooting at the Carolina. Once he's out of the game, I can deal with the destroyers. All we need to do is make sure Carolina's down. Okay. Oh shit. No.
It's just us, partner. Look at the Irish be with us.
Yep. Did he just fire at you there? Come on, fucking die! Oh, that's my heart. Yeah, I know. Get back into that, here we go. I don't even know if it's a good idea to try and... I might have only got 7mm armor, he's just going to pen right through this. Oh.
That turret will cost me so much gold.
Fucking die. Come on. That's it, that's got to be death. Yeah! Right, okay, now turn in for corpse. Oh, right, we knew they were coming. I've got an agile Fiji, and we should be okay. Right, did I go for A first? Yeah. Okay, that's my sonar backup. Yeah, so does Yukikaze. Both of them are one hit. What I've got to watch out for is if they try and pull like an anvil on me with the torps and both come from either side. That's how they'll get me. And right now, I'm basically blind.
5 minutes left to assert our dominance.
It'll be the Z probably. Nah, I'm not spotted. Yeah. I really want to fight in open water though, where I can just use my guns. Okay, I'm spotted now. Try and work out where they're at. Both of them are targeting me. I'm gonna wait a minute before I do pop my sonar though, because I need that to punch through a smoke screen if we put one up. But I also need to screen for torps, so it's kinda
The
a
enemy
blade
team
sword.
is about to win. I hereby resign as the ship's captain.
Right, one of them's behind me. Oh shit, okay, I just sail away from him and I worry about the objective. Yeah. And the other one's at sea. Okay, the other one's just, well, I've been spotted again, so either he's came out of smoke or the other one from sea can spot me now. And that means torps are coming from in front. Yeah, I know. But what do I do here? Like, I can chase him or I can go for the objective, and I've activated my radar sonar just to be safe now, because I have no clue where they are. Yeah, fuck, I think I've activated sonar too early, but I just want to be safe here going into sea. I think the best play is that I go for sea. This is why I wish it was tier 7. If I had the Edinburgh, I'd have 3 radars right now, and I can just hunt them down.
Fighter airborne.
Hopefully they go into no, which means he's left this area. Yeah, I'm just gonna start doing my turn now. Yeah, but it's a smaller area, so I should have a chance of catching him. Yeah. At least we've got 2 caps now, we might be able to catch up in points in the next 2 minutes. Yeah, but now we're ahead. And if they push in, okay, I'm spotted now, so somewhere ahead of me, I think. Also, my sonar just ran out, so I'm going in blind here. Do you think that's where they're at? Oh, well, we know that one's over here now.
Torpedoes to starboard.
Starboard. Shit.
Oops, we're taking water. Torpedoes dead. I don't like the sound of our engine. Torpedoes to starboard. Fighter coming home.
Yeah. I think that's the best plan here of just rolling. Oh fuck, that's funny to crisp.
Fire! Fire! I'm not kidding.
Do we even win on points here? No! I'm spamming damage card.
Problem solved.
Oh my god! Not even close, boys. Not even close. We fucking clutched those. And that's why I love Agile Cruisers. Like, where else are you gonna get shit like that? Oh my god, what the fuck? It's such a fucking cat and mouse game. Right. Well, that was something.